channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all these clip-ins, these gorgeous, beautiful clip-ins from CurlsQueen. There's so many different ways to do clip-ins, but I wanted to do this as lazy as possible. First of all, I was running out of time, and I also wanted to do it for all my kind of beginners that don't know how to braid, don't know how to cornrow, don't know how to braid their hair underneath to clip on the hair, because you don't have to braid your hair. You actually don't even have to cornrow it. You could do so much just to clip this hair on. I clip this on with a ponytail. A ponytail, guys. I'm going to show you how you can achieve this look. I'm also going to show you guys in this video, if your hair's not naturally coily like this, but you still want this look, I'm going to show you how to do it. With some perm rods. Anyway, so you guys will definitely want to keep watching because I'm going to show y'all how quick and easy this was. It wasn't hard. It wasn't hard at all. But I'm definitely going to walk you through it, so don't worry. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into it.
So again, these clip-ins are from CurlsQueen. It came in this nice pretty box and it came with some goodies. You're going to get a detangling brush, a satin bonnet, and a few extra accessories. I like the fact that they gave us a satin bag for storage as well. So right out the pack, this is what it's looking like. Initially I thought it was short, but once you stretch it, it does get true to length. So to start, I did shampoo and condition this hair. Check the link in the cards to see exactly how I did that, and I like that this hair is really soft and the curls were popping. So after shampooing, I did set this wig with my Isha Zelly setting mousse, and this is what it's looking like a few days after. So now I'm going to apply those clip-ins. This is the base that I'm going to use. I'm leaving some hair out in the front, and I decided I wanted to have a side part, so I'm just placing the hair out of the way and sectioning off all the hair that I want to have out in the front. So I'm taking out some hair right in the front. Yes, my hair is thin in the front, don't judge me, but I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set this hair in the front with some perm rods. But now I'm just gonna go in and basically put that back hair in a ponytail. You can go in with some cornrows, some braids, whatever you like, but I decided to go in with just a basic ponytail. So to set the front of the hair, my hair naturally does revert once you add water. It does revert to its naturally coily state, but to have some defined curls, I decided to go in with some perm rods. These are just really smaller curlers. I'm going in with my Lotta Body setting mousse and I'm just curling that hair all the way around. So now I'm zooming in on this because these perm rods, they do tend to break, so be careful. So I do suggest getting some clips as well just in case they break, but you can put it back and fix it if it breaks off. I just didn't feel like doing that. Anyway, so now that that's set, I'm gonna go in with my ponytail. As you see, I'm putting it in a ponytail, but make sure it's nice and tight. And I did go in with a little bun. I probably should have made this a little tighter, but it was fine, it worked. So these clip-ins, you're gonna get different lengths. As you see, that first one is gonna be 5 clips. It's about 2 of those, and then it goes from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2. So you're gonna get 2 of each. So as you see, I'm putting the longest one in the back, and I do suggest that you open the clip first before you go in, just to make it a little easier. And I'm applying them not directly on top of each other, but kind of like 2 fingers above on top of each weft. This hair is going to be really full, so I'm using the longest weft all the way around, and I'm going up that ponytail using the shorter clips. So like 5, and then you go to 4, and then you go to 3, and then you go to 2. So now here it looks like it's a little gap, but don't worry, like I said, this hair is really full, so it's okay to have a little gappage in between. So now I'm going to use the shorter wefts. If you see, I'm going to do it the way I want the hair to fall. I want it to fall the same exact way as the part, so I'm going to do it like a C motion instead of doing it just straight across. It's just going to fall better if you go in the direction that you want the hair to fall. So now we are at the top, and these 2 clips actually have 4 wefts left, and I still have a lot of hair. So one bundle of hair was actually perfect, and I still got a very full look. So now this is what it's looking like. It's coming together really lovely. Okay. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to set the hair again. I know I did this before, but this was my first time installing these clip-ins, and I didn't realize that, you know, with playing with the hair and installing it, it's going to get frizzy. So I suggest that maybe after shampooing and conditioning, that you just go in and define the curls as it's on your head, or maybe just the top part like I'm doing. I didn't actually go through the whole hair, so maybe just the top part is what you'll need to do. So this hair was looking really lovely. So I'm going to go ahead and take out these perm rods. I do suggest that you actually let these dry. I did let some of them dry, but some of them were a little damp and it's not going to be as defined as you're going to see. My hair probably was like about 90% dry, but I do suggest letting it fully dry because, you know, it gets a little frizzy when you're unraveling it, but overall it did come together nice. And I do suggest taking out the curls with a little bit of serum or some oil. And now I'm just blending the hair to my natural hair and putting it together. So now, because I did want a part, I'm just defining that part and cleaning up the top part. You don't have to do this, but I'm going in with my edge control and a little bit of gel just to kind of slick it and make it look a little cleaner in the front hair. And that wraps it up.
Okay guys, so I'm finished putting in these clip-ins and let's talk about them. So these clip-ins are so beautiful. This is definitely my hair. You can't tell me otherwise. Before I forget, I do have one extra clip-in. This is just a two-piece, so this whole bundle worked for my head. Look at this hair all the way around. This is how it's looking like really full, really natural, really luscious. And the hair is hiding in the back. You cannot see that ponytail in the back. Now, I was being really lazy with this install and I just wanted to do it like this to show you guys that you don't need cornrows. You could literally just put this on a ponytail as I just did. So next time I install it, I probably will braid down my hair some just to have more of a secure base and wear it a little bit longer. But I can wear this for a few days, y'all. Like this is secure. This is not going anywhere. I wanted to show all my girls that don't know how to cornrow that you can wear the clip-ins too. So I absolutely do recommend these clip-ins. I have no issues with them. The hair is really soft. Actually really shocked how soft this hair is. I can't stop touching it because it's so soft. I did shampoo and condition it, which it did shampoo and condition well. And I set it, but it started getting a little frizzy, but it's fine because it's looking more natural this way. So it's not frizzy in a bad way. It's actually blending better with my natural hair. So it works. My hair is 4C hair. This is my hair, and these are the clip-ins. So you can go in and finger coil. I just wanted to show you guys how to use it with perm rods, just in case you don't know how to finger coil. Get some perm rods. You can do these things, guys. You just gotta trust the process. So sometimes too, my hair naturally reverts once it's straight. It naturally reverts back to its coily state. Some people's hair might be relaxed, or some people's hair might not naturally revert. So I wanted to show you guys, if your hair is straight, get some rollers. So I'm gonna leave a link below to my Amazon storefront with these perm rods. They do pop. I'm warning you now. Some of them did pop off, which kind of was annoying, but I'm used to them because I've been using these for years. And I also do suggest using them with like some end wraps, but that's it. Overall, I don't have anything else to say about this hair. This hair is amazing. This hair is the bomb. This looks like my natural hair. It absolutely does. I ran out and got food while I was letting my roller sit, and the girl was like, oh, your hair is so big. Your hair looks good. And I was like, oh, thank you. So I absolutely recommend CurlsQueen. Shout out again to them for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate you guys. All the links will be linked down below where you can purchase these clip-ins. Let me know what you think. Drop me some comments. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.